Welcome to Porter's RV Sales here in sunny Williamston, South Carolina, where your family's next adventure starts in style. Today, we're excited to showcase a rare find, the 2010 Thor Four Winds Montecito 38D, a CARFAX one-owner diesel pusher with just 31,000 miles, priced at an unbeatable $89,900. This 39-foot Class A RV, built on a heavy-duty Freightliner chassis, features the family-friendly 38D bunkhouse floor plan with 3 huge slide-outs, sleeping up to 8 in incredible comfort thanks to a bunkhouse configuration. Wrapped in the stunning Evening Star full-body paint package, this RV blends luxury and power, driven by a robust 360 horsepower Cummins diesel engine. Join us for a full walk-around to explore every premium detail of this amazing deal. Let's start with the exterior, where the 2010 Montecito 38D commands attention with its sleek design. The Evening Star full-body paint package with its rich, high-gloss finish creates a striking presence that shines at every campground. Stretching 39 feet, this RV is built on a Freightliner XCS power platform chassis, with full air ride suspension and full air brakes, delivering a smooth, stable ride on any terrain. Powered by a Cummins ISC diesel engine, it produces 360 horsepower and an impressive 1,050 foot-pounds of torque, paired with an Allison 3000 6-speed automatic transmission with electronic shifting for effortless performance. Brand new tires all around ensure you're ready for the road, whether you're hitting highways or exploring back roads. The construction features vacuum-bonded sidewalls and a crowned fiberglass roof, ensuring durability and comfort in all seasons. The exterior is packed with features for convenience and family fun. Pass-through basement storage compartments with a slide-out storage tray offer ample space for camping gear, sports equipment, or tailgating essentials. A power patio awning, power door awning, and slide toppers create a shaded outdoor oasis, perfect for relaxing or entertaining. 4-point automatic hydraulic leveling jacks with touchpad controls make setup quick and stable, while the rear and side view camera system with an in-dash monitor ensures easy navigation in tight spaces. A 10,000-pound trailer hitch lets you tow a vehicle or trailer with confidence, making this RV ideal for family adventures. Powering your travels is effortless with this RV's robust systems. The Onan 8.0 kilowatt quiet diesel generator, with only 335 hours of use and auto gen start, delivers reliable off-grid power for boondocking or remote escapes. A 50-amp service, Magnum inverter charger, and battery disconnects ensure efficient energy management. Dual high-efficiency air conditioners and a ducted furnace keep you comfortable year-round, from summer heat to crisp fall evenings. The premium electrical system optimizes power usage, making every trip worry-free. Step inside, and the 38D bunkhouse floor plan unfolds as a family-friendly masterpiece. 3 massive slide-outs create a spacious interior, sleeping up to 8, perfect for large families or group getaways. The layout features a king-size bed in the rear master bedroom, a bunkhouse with 2 bunk beds, a hide-a-bed sleeper sofa, and a booth dinette that transforms into additional sleeping space. The front living room is a cozy hub, boasting dual recliner theater seating with ultra fabrics upholstery, a spacious hide-a-bed sleeper sofa, a booth dinette, and a 32-inch TV for family movie nights or relaxing after a day of adventure. High-gloss raised panel hardwood cabinetry and durable vinyl flooring create a warm residential ambiance that feels like home. The full kitchen is designed for family meals and convenience. You've got a 4-door gas electric refrigerator and freezer, a gas stovetop, a microwave convection oven, and a residential sink and faucet, perfect for preparing everything from quick snacks to holiday feasts. Ample cabinetry keeps your kitchen organized, while the sleek design adds a touch of elegance. The private bathroom is a standout, featuring a large shower enclosure with a glass door, a skylight, a sink, vanity, toilet, and power vent fan, offering a spa-like experience for the whole family. A vented closet with washer-dryer hookups, washer-dryer not included but can be added for an additional fee, makes extended trips or full-time RV living effortless. The bunkhouse area is a kid's dream, with 2 bunk beds, each equipped with individual flip-down TVs for personalized entertainment. The rear master bedroom is a luxurious retreat, featuring a king-size bed for ultimate comfort, a 32-inch TV, a wardrobe closet, and additional drawer storage. Plush bedding and coordinated window treatments create a warm, inviting space, while the expansive slide-outs ensure plenty of room to relax. The combination of the king bed, bunkhouse, sleeper sofa, and dinette provides flexible sleeping options for up to 8, making this RV perfect for family adventures. Let's recap the highlights of this incredible RV. The 38D bunkhouse floor plan, with 3 slide-outs, offers a spacious interior that sleeps 8 comfortably. The Cummins diesel engine and Freightliner chassis deliver powerful, reliable performance, while the Onan generator and 50-amp service ensure off-grid capability. Features like the bunkhouse with individual TVs, hydraulic leveling jacks, and evening star paint package add family-friendly style and convenience, while the full kitchen and private bathroom elevate the experience. At just $89,900, this 2010 Thor Four Winds Montecito 38D with only 31,000 miles is an exceptional value for a one-owner diesel pusher. Imagine hitting the road in this 2010 Thor Four Winds Montecito 38D, exploring national parks, beachside campgrounds, or mountain retreats with your family. Picture the kids enjoying their bunkhouse TVs, cooking in the spacious kitchen, or unwinding in the king-size bed after a day of adventure. This RV blends the comfort of a luxury home with the freedom of travel, and the Evening Star paint package ensures you arrive in style. With its low mileage and family-focused features, every journey will be unforgettable. As we wrap up this walk-around, let's talk about making this RV yours. Priced at just $89,900, this 2010 Thor Four Winds Montecito 38D is a rare opportunity to own a family-friendly diesel pusher at an unbeatable price. Give us a call at 864-260-9276. Send an email to sales@portersrvsales.com or visit us online at www.portersrvsales.com to learn more or schedule a test drive. Our team at Porter's RV Sales is ready to help you hit the road in this incredible RV. Thank you for joining us for this walk around of the 2010 Thor Four Winds Montecito 38D. Be sure to check out our YouTube channel, Porter's RV Sales, for more RV tours, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. This bunkhouse RV, with its low mileage, premium features, and unbeatable price, is a one-of-a-kind find. Call us today at 864-260-9276 or visit portersrvsales.com to make this 2010 Montecito 38D yours. This is Porter's RV Sales, and we can't wait to see you on the road.